Property renovators, investors and speculators, look what the Auction One team has found for you. Yes, we are at 44 Morningside Road, Morningside. That is an area in East London which is situated in the mid-price bracket, which is in high demand. Our elderly seller will be retiring and leaving this home. The property is definitely in need of TLC and maintenance. What are you going to do with this property? 2 bedrooms, family bathroom, spacious lounge, and then a separate kitchen as well. Out back, there's a built-in braai area which needs resurrection. I'm sure investors, speculators, once they've seen the property, will understand straight away that instant equity can be added to this property once your renovation and TLC is complete. Add the paint, add the screeded ceilings, do the tiling on the floors, new kitchen, built-in cupboards in the bedroom. What about aluminium windows right the way around? A little roof over the braai area would be exceptional. This property gets auctioned on site on the 21st of May 2025. The Auction One team is looking forward to fielding your inquiries. See you at auction.
Yeah.